Want a realistic retro pixel portrait? Let Gemini AI do it fast. Start with a clear headshot. Watch the before and after reveal. Step 1. Upload a cropped headshot, square 1000 pixels recommended. Use this prompt, realistic retro pixel art character, 32 by 32, detailed facial features. Add modifiers, subtle film grain, soft lighting, warm synthwave palette. Model, Gemini image. Settings, high sampling, 40 steps, guidance 7.5. Generate and inspect at 1:1 zoom for pixel level accuracy. Refine with pencil tool, local color swaps, and careful anti-aliasing. Palette callout, magenta hashtag FF2D95, cyan hashtag 00DFF0, gold hashtag F2C94C. Export as PNG with nearest neighbor scaling, export it 3 times. Final reveal, side-by-side original and retro pixel character, crisp detail. Try the prompt, download your asset, link below. Tag us with your character.